Hello everyone, my name is Shivan Santosh Pandit and today's video topic is polymorphism in Java. So polymorphism in Java is a concept by which we can perform a single action by different ways. Polymorphism is derived from two Greek words. First is poly and second is morph. The word poly means many and morph means forms. So polymorphism means many forms. There are two types of polymorphism in Java: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. We can perform polymorphism in Java by method overloading and method overriding. If you overload a static method in Java, uh, it is the example of compile time polymorphism. Here we will focus on runtime polymorphism in Java. So what is runtime polymorphism in Java? Runtime polymorphism or dynamic method dispatch is a process in which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime rather than a compile time. In this process, an overridden method is called through the reference variable of a superclass. The determination of the method to be called is based on the object being referred to by the reference variable. First, we have to understand what is upcasting before runtime polymorphism. Upcasting, if the reference variable of the parent class refers to the object of child class, it is known as upcasting. For example, class A and class B which extend class A, and then in main method class A with reference variable small a equal to new class B. So we can say it as a upcasting. We can use the reference variable of a class type or an interface type. For example, interface I, then class A and class B which extend class A and implements I. Here is the relationship of B class would be is A relationship, is AI relation, and is A object. Since object is a root of all classes in Java, so we can write B is a relation object. So example, we can take an example of Java runtime polymorphism. In this example, we are creating two classes, bike and splinter. Splinter class extends bike class and overrides its run method. We are calling the run method by the reference variable of a parent class. Since it refers to the subclass object or a subclass method, overrides the parent class method. The subclass method is invoked at runtime. Since method invocation is determined by JVM, not by compiler, it is known as runtime polymorphism. So we'll see the code of it. Class by, in that void run method, and run method will sysout, and in sysout running, and another class named as splinter which extend bike class, and in that void run method, we have taken sysout and sysout running safely at 60 or any other kilometers. And in another class we have taken main method, in that we called class bike with reference variable small b equal to new, and then splinter class which you can say as upcasting. And when we call the run method with reference variable, that is b dot run, and the output will be running safely at 60 km with 60 km. Then Java runtime polymorphism. We can take example for consider a scenario where a bank is a class that provides a method to get rate of interest. However, the rate of interest may differ according to the bank. For example, SBI, ICICI, then Axis banks are providing 8.4, 7.3 and something 9.7% rate of interest. First, we'll take an example. We'll take class bank. Rate of interest is in decimal format, so we'll take float or double. Now we'll take for float get rate of interest method, and that will return void, return 0. Then class another class called SBI, which extend class bank, and that float get rate of interest method, which returns 8.4 f. F is written in float method after the value. And in ICICI, another class called ICICI, which extend bank class, the float get rate of interest, which returns 7.3. And after that, the class ICI Axis bank extends class bank, and that float get rate of interest method, which returns 9.7 f. And test values, class test polymorphism taken in that void method, and bank class is called with reference variable b equal to new s for SBI, and in sysout we have taken SBI rate of interest equal to b dot get rate of interest of SBI. Then in b equal to new ICICI, for the in that sysout ICICI rate of interest equal plus b dot get rate of interest. So it will show the interest rate of ICICI bank. After that, for Axis bank, b equal to new Axis method, that we have taken sysout double quotes Axis rate of interest plus b dot get rate of interest. So will show the output as SBI rate of interest 8.4, then for ICICI rate of interest 7.3, and for Axis Bank rate of interest is 9.7%. Now another example of Java runtime polymorphism for various shapes. So first we will take a class shape, in that for draw method, and sysout in sysout we have taken a drawing. Then class rectangle, which extends shape class, in that void draw method, and sysout drawing a rectangle in that, and after that circle class, which extends shape. In that void draw method I have taken sysout drawing circle, and after that triangle class, which extends shape, void draw method, and sysout we have taken drawing a triangle. And in another class we have taken main method, which that we call shape class with reference variable s equal to new for rectangle s dot, we call the s dot draw method. After that s equal to new circle, we call the s dot draw method, and lastly s equal to new triangle, and that also s dot draw method. So the output will be drawing rectangle, drawing circle, and last is a drawing triangle. After that, Java runtime polymorphism with data member. a method is overridden, not a data member. So runtime polymorphism can be achieved by data members. So it's all about polymorphism in Java.